A policeman was shot and killed on Berwick Road in Kingston early Sunday, the police have confirmed. He has been identified as 30-year-old District Constable Ricardo Jarrett, who was assigned to the Darling Street Police Station in Kingston. This man presently on your screen. District Constable Ricardo Jarrett, who is also attached to the Darling Street Police Station in the Kingston Western Police Division. District Constable Jarrett, along with others, are a part of a prominent round robin in the area. It is said that a round robin concluded sometime in the wee hours of the morning, and he, along with other friends, assisted a female to the Berwick Road area of Maxfield Avenue. So for those who is not familiar with the Berwick Road community, Berwick Road coming along Maxfield Avenue from Spanish Town Road, upon reaching the intersection of Russell Road and Maxfield Avenue, the Berwick Road would be that other road on your left going through that spotlight. It is said that he, along with others, went on Berwick Road to drop that female off. They dropped the female off, spun around in the road and was heading back to Maxfield Avenue when the car came under heavy gun attack from criminal elements. It is said that Jarrett got multiple shots all over his body. Now, in a bid to save his life, his friends rushed with him and the car came to a halt because of multiple damages to the car while they were rushing to take him to the Kingston hospital. It is said that the car was discovered somewhere along North Street, and that is where the district constable lost his life. Now, police officers from the Kingston Western Police Division and also officers from the St. Andrew South Police Division is investigating both scenes right now and seeking to uncover what really took place along Berwick Road. So, person living in and around the Berwick Road community, if you want to see something, say something. Because they say anytime criminal elements take it to the police officers in them sort of way there, that just goes to show the level where society is. Because when you can know, say, a police them there, and you take it to them in a them the way there, that just assure the regular members of Jamaica, say, them criminal elements no fear the law. So if them not have no fear for the law, wait I go take out of them for come slap with anyone, anytime, anywhere. So it is up to us to get rid of these criminal elements out of our areas. So let me just clarify the us before the ones and ones them get it confused. The us I'm speaking collectively, meaning we the regular members of Jamaica and also the security forces, the JCF, Jamaica Constabulary Force, the JDF, Jamaica Defence Force, and all government entities responsible for social development and our security. So that is the us of which I speak. We all need to collectively take responsibility for our part. The part that we need to play and do that collectively. And these criminal elements would stand no chance. Because no matter how you see an area bad in my peeps, I can tell you now the vast majority are decent, law-abiding citizens. It's always one handful of criminal elements holding the entire community under hostage. So anyone with information surrounding the knockings and clappings that resulted in the loss of life for District Constable Ricardo Jarrett, who is attached to the Kingston Western Police Division, please link up the squad with them and give them the information.